In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send your tax return by mail using Turbotax. This process is straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything is clear and easy to follow. Let's start by going to the Turbotax official site. This is where you'll be able to access all the tools you need to complete your filing. Once you have the site open, look for the Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page, so go ahead and click on that. After signing in, you'll be directed to your Turbotax homepage. From here, your next step is to navigate to the 2024 taxes section. This is important because it indicates you're working within the correct tax year. Click on that to continue. Now that you're in the right place, you should see an option labeled File. Clicking on File takes you to where you can finalize your tax return for this season. Once you're there, you'll see a Continue button. Click on Continue to advance the process further. At this point, you should see a prompt with a Change option. Clicking on Change is crucial as it allows you to select your preferred filing method. This brings us to the part where you choose how you'd like to file your tax return. You'll find an option that says File by Mail. This is the step where you indicate that you'd like to send your return the traditional way through the postal service. When you select File by Mail, Turbotax will provide you with a printable version of your tax return. It's a great idea to go through this document to double check your information, ensuring everything is accurate and up to date. Remember, any errors could result in delays or require corrections, which can be a hassle down the road. Once everything looks good, print the document out. Make sure your printer is set to produce clear, legible copies because the IRS requires high quality prints for processing. After printing, you'll need an envelope to mail your tax return. Ensure it's large enough to fit your documents without folding them excessively. Address the envelope clearly using the IRS mailing address provided in your Turbotax instructions. Always double check the address to make sure it's correct. Before sealing the envelope, it's a good idea to include any necessary attachments like W-2 forms or 1099 submissions, as missing documentation can lead to processing delays. Once everything is ready, seal the envelope securely. Lastly, head to the post office to send your tax return, ideally opting for a service that provides tracking so you can confirm when your documents reach their destination. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully prepared your tax return for mailing through Turbotax, combining the reassurance of traditional postal filing with the convenience of online tax preparation.